Hey everybody, this is part 3 of assignment number 9. This one we're working with sparklines. So wanted to show you guys what I've created here. Again, we're looking at an Excel document, not a Tableau document. Um, Tableau worksheet. So what we have here is candidate spending, looks like January 2015 through March 2016, illustrated by each month and then represented by spark lines. What I did here is I took out kind of some of the lower level candidates. I apologize if they feel bad with me calling them that, but some candidates that might not have had as much impact. Included some of the bigger names, tried to expand the field a little bit so we could have a little bit more data. One of the things that you see that's interesting here is that Hillary Clinton had a little bit of a jump on everybody. It looks like she was spending money 2 months before everybody else. And so, her spending is a little bit more. It looks like most people by April 2015 were spending. One of the things that's interesting to note here, some of the people that dropped out of the race, right? Like Jeb Bush, his high point was right here. If we look at Jeb Bush, he's on the top there. His high point was right there, and you can see his high point was 625. It looks like 6 million, and so and then it starts dropping off. And why did it drop off? It dropped off because he ended up dropping out of the race. So interesting data. He went up to try and boost his campaign, and then he had to end up dropping out. Same with Ben Carson. You see their high point and then they start to fade. Ted Cruz, same thing, high point and faded pretty quickly. Again, Rand Paul had a interesting data set here. It looks like, he peaked pretty early with his spending and then it just slowly dissipated over time. For whatever reason, maybe wasn't willing to spend that. Marco Rubio, same thing, spending increase, then dropped off. Bernie Sanders, kept increasing because he's a pretty big spender in this election. And then obviously Donald Trump and Hillary Clinton made it the furthest, and Bernie Sanders almost made it, but Trump and Clinton made it further. So really interesting to look at how the spending, just if you don't want to go through here and say, well, what is this number we have here? What number is that? You can look at an estimation over here and just kind of see how the numbers ebb and flow, which is really helpful. So this is Sparklines for assignment part 3 of assignment number 9. I found it to be really helpful, a good way to represent data that may look convoluted at first, and then you can kind of simplify it over here. So pretty neat stuff. And that'll be it for part 3.